Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve error code 519000101 in World of Warcraft. So, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So, first thing I would recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to run that command. And now it should come back with Windows IP configuration to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, again exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. Should hopefully have been a pretty straightforward process for you. If you are still having an issue, we can also go ahead and check the World of Warcraft status for the different various realms and servers to see if it's up or down. So if you want to go ahead and open up a web browser, I'm going to have a link in the description of my video here, guys. So go ahead and just copy that from the description and then paste it into the address bar up here. You can also just search on Google for World of Warcraft server status. That's how I found this page anyway. And again, it should take you to a worldofwarcraft.com. Realm status. This page lists all available World of Warcraft realms and has information on whether or not a realm is up or down. And then you can also find more information about realm status and schedule maintenance in our support page and on Twitter. And if your realm is listed as down, rest assured that we're aware of it and working diligently to bring it back online as quickly as possible. So if you click on the region, the little drop down here, you can select which region you want to select, so depending on where you are in the world. And then you will go ahead and select location. And then if you have a specific name you want to search, you can just search that here as well. And if there's a green check mark next to the status, then that means that the server should be up and it's working for everyone except for you, apparently. But if it's currently has a red X, that means it's down. And you may want to check this page back a few minutes after you first experience the issue because it might take some time for this page to actually update. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.